Hi there, I'm Austin Pratt with Proper Exterior Cleaning. In this video, we are demonstrating what the soft washing process looks like on this client's roof. This roof isn't all that dirty, but we wanted to explain our process and what you can expect from our services. The first step is done by our field technician. Their sole purpose on this project is to make sure all of the surrounding landscaping and gutter line are watered down at all times. This ensures no damage to your property when combined with our other steps. The second step is placing our neutralizing pods in the gutters of your home to neutralize any chemical coming down the gutters. If you don't have gutters, don't worry. We have other processes that will help with those situations. The third step consists of staging our hose with the roof washing solution on your roof. This solution will stick to your roof and remove the organic staining that's present. Whether it's shingle, tile, or composite, we will be able to clean it and make it look new again. The next step is applying our roof washing solution to the roof. This application method does not exceed 125 psi. This way we can ensure zero damage to the roof shingles but still be able to clean them efficiently. We then let the solution dwell on the roof for the necessary time to remove the staining. Some instances require a second coating. The last step is the most crucial part of this process. We rinse the roof after we are done spraying the solution. This ensures the majority of the chemical is not sitting on the roof and any runoff will come into contact with the neutralizer and prevent damage to the surrounding landscape. After we finish rinsing the roof, we will walk the property and look for any areas we need to touch up. If there are no further areas, we will water the landscaping down one more time and advise the client on what to do over the next 2 days. Typically, this consists of running the sprinkler system for a variable amount of time. I hope you found the information in this video helpful. If you have any questions regarding our process or would like a free estimate for a roof cleaning service, please call or text us at 904-333-6000. Thank you and have a wonderful day.